You know, I realized that at some point you gotta see everything that I'm doing. I can post videos and stuff just showing you bits and pieces, or I can just do the full thing, the full shebang. I'm starting with my baby hairs, sleeking them down, putting on a silk scarf after some mousse because fuzzy eggheads need to be controlled. A contact lens change. Yes, I wanted to do gray eyes. They are daily lenses. They're so good and they're so soft. You can't feel them. And do you see how much freckles make a difference? The amount of sort of like nice texture and the amount of acne scars and pimples I can cover. And those little eye freckles, they make a difference. Trust me. I don't know why. And then when I do my brows, I like to make them longer than they are and sort of skinnier, but then also fluffy. I don't know why, but this shape has always been sort of my favorite, and I always hated my eyebrows, so it was really nice to find something that I like, especially when it comes to this, something you do daily essentially. The same goes for my eye shape. The thing you're seeing right now is just me putting down specific amount of shadow and light colors that creates like a really soft and easy sculpted look. I mean, it's not that easy, but it's easy if you do it every day on your eye shape, you know? So I think the more you practice this, the more you learn where to put colors, the more you can sculpt your eyes and also your lips, you know? Do you see this trick where I just use my little pinky? It helps so much to make it blurry and natural looking, and everything is sort of customizable. I think at this point you shouldn't really take social media for granted and think, okay, this is exactly what I need to do. You need to make sure to work with your skull and just the shape of your own face. I always like to stress that, but it's super important. And sometimes you want to do something bold, but you don't want to regret it and spend a lot of time on it and then think, oh man, I don't know if I can wear this out. So stickers, honestly, you can do bold looks and rip them off if you want.